This is the CO2 sanitary check valve that comes with Cellar Supply's line of sanitary carbonation stones. As you can see, these are all milled one piece up to the center, so it gives you nice clean lines with no welds. Check valve's pretty easy to disassemble. Comes with a quick clamp. It's essentially your gas connect where you would put a quick connect into. The unit consists of a milled 304 stainless steel body with 1.5-inch tri-clamp connections on both ends, the connection end to the stone, as well as the gas input. As you can see, the gas side stays completely dry because you have this plunger assembly, which keeps it that way. It's real easy to disassemble. I'd recommend cleaning these out after every batch. Retainer clip, stainless steel spring. There's a Teflon retainer plate. This is all one piece, easily cleaned. Tri-clamp on both sides. EPDM plug to put it back together. It's pretty easy. Spring goes back on top. Retainer clip just goes right back into it. And there you go.